في لقطة جماهيرية كويسة أوي 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 من جماهير ليفربول ومغني شهير جدا 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 عامل أغنية عظمة أوي لمحمد صلاح. ما تيجوا نتفرج عليها كده وأجيبها لكم تحت كده نشوفها إيه.
I think I speak on behalf of all football fans. You are a legend,
محمد صلاح.
no matter what. Sitting in the cold, 3 games in a row. The whistle blows, but I don't run, I don't go. I look at the touchline, the manager turns away. Slot has made his choice, he has nothing left to say. I built this house with Bobby and with Sadio, but now I'm just a ghost in the stadium scenario. The relationship is broken, the silence is so loud. I'm lonely in the middle of the singing crowd. Do they remember the curses that I broke, or is my legacy just going up in smoke? I gave my shoulder, I gave my prime, but loyalty is nothing to the hands of time. Mo Salah, the king you uncrowned. Mo Salah, you're letting him down. You bury the records and silence the wing. This is the fall of the Egyptian king.
The Egyptian King.
The UCL and the Puskas goal, I was untouchable, had a major role. I hear them chanting Mo Salah one last time, but it sounds like a memory, a distant chime. The record's claimed, the numbers on the board. Now I sit and watch, feeling completely ignored. Maybe it's my fault, it was never enough to end it like this, man, it's getting rough. If I have to leave, let me
اتفرجوا شوفوا صلاح والعظمة بتاعت صلاح يا بتوع ليفربول، يا عم كاريجار اتفرج، يا عم روني، يا عم سكولز اتفرجوا على صلاح. صلاح اللي عمل تاريخ ليفربول، صلاح ذا ايجيبشن كينج. اتفرجوا. صلاح يا لد وهو محمد صلاح فخر العرب والكرة البريطانية كلها. محمد صلاح